Watch your posture.
Little trucks.
Just like Amanda. You appreciate your gas mileage, being able to find a parking spot, and are very secure in your masculinity. So you got yourself a little pickup truck, a midsize truck, with a bed. And that bed, it's just begging to do more for you. The DECKED Midsize Drawer System has one big old MegaDrawer with a 400-pound payload.
And on top of the drawer is the deck that can handle up to 1,000-pound payload. That'll help you get from work to the weekend easier and without all the cussing.
So no more son of a no more son of a
And definitely not anymore
son of a. In other words, it protects your stuff so you don't stress. It's weatherproof and secure, just like your Amanda.
And you can clean up your cab to make room for more passengers. Well, if you're the kind of guy that likes people.
People love them.
They even give us reviews, which are pretty good.
Yep, reviews are pretty good.
They're actually really good.
That's what I was saying. The main thing is DECKED is made to work and recreate just as hard as you.
And it's made in America.
That's right. Made in America, by Americans, for Americans, right here in America.
America.